right? So this question we can do, right? Some already learn read this question. You can read this question, right? And we are going to continue CB 31 questions, right? So okay. So right. So here you go. Problem here. Right. So देखना तो ध्यान से पड़ेगा करना कैसे एरो दे रखा ऑफ लेंथ एंड राइट and you are alone the following operation any number of times. इंडेक्स आई ऐड +1 भी कर सकते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम 1, बट हमारा गोल है टू मेक द एरे नॉट सॉर्टेड इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, राइट. So I want the minimum number of operation needed, right? So like if the array is not sorted, answer is 0, right? इसमें ना greedy approach लगेगी. Right. So like every time I see like that, if the array is already not sorted, so जो AJ है, right, is greater than AJ plus 1, right? So answer is 0, right? Otherwise strictly non-decreasing है, you need to force some position to violate AJ to AJ plus 1, right? So ऐसा कोई ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा जिससे डिफरेंस निकल जाए एडजेसेंट एलिमेंट का, राइट. तो DI का निकाल ले. अगर हम डिफरेंस कर दे DI इज इक्वल टू, अगर हम ये करें DI is equal to AI plus 1 minus AI. So if initially the array is sorted, तो D greater than 0 हो जाएगा, right? लाइक पुरानी ये वाला कर दो KI हो जाए तो ऐसे इंक्रीजेस बाय 11 डिक्रीजेस बाय 1 वही कर देना. Like to make AI greater than AI plus 1 or DI less than 0, right? तो if initially हमने मान लिया DI, right, ये वाला ये वाला, तो in integer term minimum oops on the pair is like DI divided by 2 plus 1 हो जाएगा, right? So we want to minimize over all possible I, so compute all adjacent gap. DI is equal to AI plus 1 minus AI. So for I to n minus 1 कर देंगे. अब यार ये जो I है, राइट, अब इसमें हो जाएगा min, राइट, min हो जाएगा DI डिवाइड बाय 2 हो जाएगा, राइट, प्लस 1 हो जाएगा, राइट. So how will not not a corner case like di is equal to 0 हो जाएगा. If the array is constant, then di divided by 2 is equal to 0 हो जाएगा, है ना. तो di 2 0 हो जाएगा. So the formula is कर देंगे 0 plus I is equal to 1, right? Right. So we can do right. So like, so we write the algorithm, right? तो algorithm क्या हो जाएगा? algorithm लिखे हैं तो algorithm हो जाएगा. So it's like first like read n, right? Then array a. Right. Firstly that will happen, and then second लिख देंगे check if already sorted, if already not sorted. One second guys, को इधर ले आता हूँ ना. Right. Check if already not sorted, right? So if yes, print 0, right? In third, otherwise compute for each I, right? For like compute for each I, then इसको हो जाएगा di is equal to ai plus 1, right, minus ai, right. And compute cost I. So like अब ये compute cost I है, cost sell I, right? इसका हो जाएगा di divided by 2 हो जाएगा, right? This happen, right? di 2 plus I हो जाएगा. So take the minimum over all I, right, and print it. Okay. Then so the time complexity is big O n per test, like because since like n less than 500 and sum of n over test less than 500, right? So what we are going to do, in online compiler में कर लेते, right? We are going to do online compiler. So has in include as stdc plus dot h, right? And then using namespace std, right? And then using long minus, then int main कर देंगे iOS with plus stdio false हो जाएगा, right? then send dot die जो normally करते हैं, right guys? null ptr, right? so yes, then int t कर देंगे, then send greater than t, then int 10 हो जाएगा, right? then send right, then we can do send हो जाएगा, then vector then 4 I is equal to 0, right? Greater than n I plus plus, right? I plus हो जाए, then send then I, right? and then check if already not sorted, right guys? so we are going to check if already not sorted, right? so bool is equal to already is equal to false, right? and then for loop लगा दे int I is equal to 0, right? I plus 1 and I plus plus, right? if I plus 1, right? then already true, equal to true. so we need to break this statement. so if already called 0, then continue, right? मैक्स हो गया, then 4 int I is equal to 0, right? I plus 1 and right I plus plus, तो ये जो लूप लगा दिया, राइट? लगा दिया इज इक्वल टू ए कर देंगे +1 कर देंगे, right? Letting a cost is equal to floor d divided by 2, right, plus 1. अब तो ये निकाल दी कॉस्ट ही, तो अब कॉस्ट निकाल लेते हैं इक्वल टू डी 2 plus 1, then answer is equal to answer cost, right? So इसका हो गया, then out कर देते हैं, रिटर्न 0, right? So we would like to copy code, right, and then we will go to both process and submit this. Submit the code. Let me see. Accepted, right? So that's all. And if you guys you have to ask, you have any ask you question, and please guys like and subscribe my channel. I needed you, right? So meet. Okay then guys.